So look at our calendar. You started on Monday, March 21st, right? That was week 1. You had your quick little spring break after your first week. Probably wish you had it now. And where are we? Week 4, week 5. Week 5 is where we are, moving into week 6. So you are now in the last I'm sorry, this is being so wobbly, and it must, I don't want it to be annoying your vision. There, I got it to scroll down. So we're moving into week 6, last 3 weeks. Wow. This is a very intense course. 8 weeks to do what in a 16 weeks is already a lot. You should feel very proud of yourself. You are almost there. Stay strong. And I want to explain that next week will be busy, as will the week after, and your final week is when you complete your capstone project, which you should look at very carefully now. So here, as you wrap up the 19th century with your quiz, you will see that just below that module, I have published the Capstone Project, which has a number of pages going in deep detail about what you will be doing. Because a capstone project means it is a culminating project where you show what you have learned, you put it all together, and you demonstrate it by finding a topic that's meaningful to you. It is meaty enough, 75 points for the final project, and 10 and then 20 points for the pieces that come before. So 100 plus points means that you can actually make a significant boost to your grade if you feel like you are not where you want to be. And if you do feel like you're where you want to be, this is a big enough and important enough assignment that you still need to be investing your full attention and passion into it. This is supposed to be where you show me your passion, and in doing that, you set yourself up for getting an A. So you should look at the prompt extremely carefully, because I have tried in this prompt to lay out every single step you take in order to get an A. And the first step is that this project is about visiting a local museum or public exhibition space so that you can write about an artwork that you're examining in person, not a photograph, not something online, the real deal, the actual artwork in the flesh. And I have some suggestions here of places you might consider, but I can always help you find something if you reach out to me. So this is the time to read it really carefully and set up a Zoom with me so that you make sure you understand what's being asked and you have a plan of action to create something that you feel good about. So make sure, along with reading the prompt, to go through all the video guides I've made where I talk about how you can go about doing the various things in the prompt, what you should be looking for, the logic behind what we're doing, the reason, the intention. And then you've got some samples from previous classes that you can look at. You could look at that and then come talk to me in a Zoom if you feel like, okay, I started to understand this, but I'm wondering about that. Also, very important, there's an open discussion. Hooray, Emily, you're my hero. Because Emily's already posted. I'm making the guide to the discussion and she's already posted. Rock on. So this is a place where we can all kind of learn from each other by asking questions, me offering help, and in the process, everyone benefits. So get in there and make this something that you love doing. That's what I'd really like to see.